Recipes programming. Recipes may be entered by the operator as a reference to specific foods for documentation purposes. With the display reading off, press Start/Stop for a few seconds until a beep sounds. Press up or down to select English, Spanish, or French, then press Enter. Enter the password and press Enter. The default password is Select Up Down. The display will show PR Change Password. If you do not wish to change the password, press Enter. Press up or down to select Recipes Programming, then press Enter. If No was selected for Recipes in Initial Programming, the display will show Recipe Programming Not Available. If Yes was selected for Recipes in Initial Programming, the display will prompt for the password to be entered. Enter the password, then press Enter. To select a recipe number, press up or down, then press Enter to go to the second line for entry of the recipe name. Using up or down, select the appropriate letters or numbers for the recipe name. Press Select after each letter or number entry, then press Enter to enter the complete recipe name. The display will move to the next consecutive recipe number for entry. Another recipe may be entered, or to end the recipe's programming, press On/Off.